We humans are like projectors. In fact, we are projectors of our mental movies. Our mental movie camera records only what we want to see and how we want to see it, whether the image is positive or negative. And our belief system edits this movie according to the image of ourselves that we have created. This belief system is highly selective too. It edits anything that we don't believe and suppresses or denies it and pushes it into our subconscious mind. That's not all. We then project these movies onto others. We think we are seeing others as they actually are. But what we are seeing is what we expect to see. Our own expectations are reflected, not reality. Until we change our beliefs, we can only duplicate the past. Now, isn't that boring? Wouldn't we want to create new movies instead of seeing the same old movies over and over and over again, like reruns? For this reason, our work at Ajna aims to create greater awareness. For the simple reason that more awareness means less fear. Less fear means more creativity. And more creativity brings a change in the movies we make in our heads. With changed perception, we are free to create new projections and new reflections. When we feel this freedom, we experience a release of positive energy. And it brings about a huge sense of relief, which comes from knowing that we have our power back again. Now, wouldn't that be great?